Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video. I got these beads from a new Facebook group that I hadn't heard of before. I'm sure the group isn't new, but it was new to me, and I found it through a Stash group and then linked to their group. It was the whole thing. So it's called Sam's, I think it's Sam's Beads, but I'll put all the information in the link below. The owner is awesome, very sweet and attentive, and I've ordered these beads when I was half asleep, so who knows what the heck I got. The first thing I'm opening up are these really cool Mermaid Czech glass beads. Hadn't seen these until recently, and it's like a little half strand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 beads. I looked on Facebook and well, they got these on Facebook, and I looked on Etsy, and it seemed like these were a better price through Sam's. And of course they had them in other colors, but how could I miss out on turquoise and gold? You guys, my name is Turquoise.Street. So I got these, let's see, Mermaids. $7.95 for a 6-piece strand. So these are definitely premium beads. Normally I wouldn't spend that much, but for my first order, I think I got $10 off. So of a certain amount, that's why I kind of splurged on these. So they ended up kind of being free if I used the $10 off coupon, right? So those are really cool. Those are like collector-ish for me. So you won't really be seeing me use those. Coconut saucers, pink. These were $2. Oh, I love that they have, okay, so this is like what every single bead shop should have, is just the price, the name, the SKU on there. Hello, so you can go back and reorder them. Like, everybody on earth could do this. That would solve so many of my problems. So this is a 15-inch strand. And these are hot pink. They're made out of coconut shell. So first of all, love that it's like a natural material. Hot pink's my second favorite color. Getting all sorts of good vibes from those. Now I did get those in several different colors. I got them in purple. Such a vibrant, like dark purple. What color is this? Coral red. And I just love that they're a very large strand of beads for $2. Come on, $2? Yes. And then we also have turquoise, come on, or emerald. It says emerald. It's green. It's like a green turquoise. Beautiful. And I love, oh, see, these aren't evenly dyed, and I really like that. I really like that. Like the others were very evenly dyed, but I love that these look a little bit more beachy, a little bit more weathered. Okay. I also got these, it's $2.50, Czech glass daggers. Normally I don't buy daggers because I don't use a lot of top drilled stuff, but I thought these would be cute as spacers in a necklace, and then it wouldn't matter if they flipped up or down, but I just thought they'd be a nice, like, cute little spacer. They had several different colors of these too. $1.50 for this cultured sea glass turtle pendant, drilled through the head, teal, 27 by, I can't tell, 3.4 millimeter maybe. The little turtle is so cute. So cute. Yeah, that's more than 3 millimeters wide, but so beautiful. I love this. You could just string this by itself on a cord, like a 1 millimeter leather cord. You can wire wrap it. You can put it on bead string and wire. You could do so much with this. So cool. I don't know if they do any kind of referral thing, but let them know I sent you. I'm going to tell him that I'm making this video, but let them know I sent you. And if you join the group, because you do have to answer some questions to join the group, I think. Ornate rectangle, toggle clasp, copper plate. Loop is 23 by 12 millimeter. I don't have very many rectangle or square clasps, and I thought this was really cool. I certainly don't have this one. These are very cool. You guys know I love my toggles. I like a toggle collection going on. Well, when I was doing my 100 bracelet challenge, I needed all the toggles, which Yes, I know. I've fallen behind. I did like one video and got back into it, and then that was it. So I got 2 packs of those because they were, I think, $1. Well, they were on sale. These were on sale when I bought them, for sure. Yeah, because I bought 3 of them. These were on sale, I think, for half off. And then this is last but not least item that I got are these beautiful like faux hammered metal toggles. They were $2.75. There's several in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5. Very pretty. And if you wanted to, you could just use this as a link. You don't have to use it as a toggle. So anyway, I'm very impressed. The shipping was very quick, and the customer service was amazing. You can opt in to get text messages when they go live. They go live and do things. I haven't been able to watch one yet. They had a good selection. Right away, I got a coupon. I was really impressed, and I'm definitely going to shop with them again. Again, Sam's, I think it's Sam's Bead, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll put it right here if it's a little different. And then I'll also put all the link to their group and their website in the comments below. Okay, so obviously this is my favorite because it's sea themed. It's a mermaid and it's turquoise, but I'm also really impressed with this little turtle. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for Goldie, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi, Goldie. Hi. Hello. Hi, sweetie. It's a good girl, yes. It's a good baby.